Hey guys, what's up? It's Mr. DS18 and welcome back to another unboxing video. Check this out. Now we have the PRO-TW220B, a black version. Completely black tweeter with a chrome bullet or silver type bullet in the middle. It looks very sleek, very awesome. We have it connected to our Gladiator door panel. This is the Jeep Wrangler or Gladiator door panel. We have it piggyback this time backwards. It's with one of our Pro X 6.4 BMSLs, the slim version. This is a typical setup you would want to do if you don't want lights in your Jeep. So obviously you guys can see this one has a gap, but I wanted to mount it on something so you guys can hear the tweeter next to the mid. So I'm gonna try that when we turn on our amp and we play music. I'm gonna put the tweeter by itself. Then I'm going to piggyback the mid so you guys can hear the perfect combination of the mid with the tweeter. So let's open this guy up so you guys can check detailed the tweeter. There's the tweeter. Got a manual, warranty card. What else is in here? And that's it. So, oh, it's not a warranty card, guys. It's a sticker. It's a nice, cool DS18 sticker, black matte sticker. And we got a manual. DS18 PRO-TW220 specs. This is 4 ohms, 60 watts, AES power. Program power is 120 watts, and max power is 240 watts. Check this out. Another cool feature we did with this tweeter is that you won't have any problems putting in a door panel because it doesn't have the connectors on the side anymore. So you can see the connectors now are tucked in underneath the tweeter. So you won't break the connector and you won't have any problems installing this tweeter. This is 1-inch voice coil. Frequency response is 2 hertz all the way to 20 kilohertz. And dB is 104 dBs on this bad boy. Nice black aluminum motor, completely ferrite magnet, 4 ohms. Check that out. The nice chrome bullet in the middle. Makes it look real nice, real sleek. Now, everybody's favorite part. Let's play it. So I'm going to hook up the tweeter first so you guys can hear the tweeter. Then I'm going to connect the mid so you guys can feel the difference and how the perfect combination for your door panels is right here. So let's get started. Pick out a song. The tweeter just by itself. Stupid loud. Let's change the song. There we go. Just the tweeter, here comes the mid. And there you guys have it. So if you're looking for a perfect combination for a door panel, for a door setup, we got the slim 6.5 Pro X, and then we got the new TW220Bs, the black version. Check that out. It's slim. It'll fit on your door panel, easy to install. It comes with the base blocker already soldered onto it. Black motor, chrome bullet. Make sure you guys check it out. Thank you guys for tuning in to another unboxing video. I'm Mr. DS18, and we like it loud.